Would you like a piece of candy?
What are you gonna do? Season me! Did you know if you eat a human brain, you'll get a disease similar to mad cow?
Outside, kids! Quick!
Did you know many cultures consume blood for food, and that includes humans? Did you know the halal method produces more tender and fresh meat? Indeed. And if you win, you get more candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y'all don't know anything! You can't escape from me. I will follow you until you are dead! Do you know how to tenderize meat? I'll show you how!